Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix Bradford white water heater status light blinking, meaning codes and reset guide. So common Bradford white status light code. First blink, normal, the heater is working fine. Second blink, weak flame, clean the flame sensor rod. Third blink, venting problem or broken sensor. Fourth blink, overheating the water go too hot. Fifth blink, false flame, the valve think it sees a fire. Seventh blink, chemical fumes detected nearby. Eighth blink, broken temperature sensor. Fix one is check the blink code. Look at the status light on the gas control valve. Count how many times the light blink before it pauses. Compare the blink pattern with the error code chart in your water heater manually. Identify the problem before attempting repair. Second fix is reset the water heater. Turn the gas control knob to off, then wait 5 minutes. Turn the knob back to pilot. Relight the pilot following the instruction on the heater label. Set the control to the desired temperature. Third one is clean the flame sensor. Turn off the power supply and close the valve. Yes. Then remove the outer metal cover at the bottom of the heater. Then locate the small metal rod next to the pilot burner. Gently rub the rod with fine sandpaper to remove white shoots. Put the cover back, turn on the gas and power it up. Fourth fix is clear the air vent. Locate the plastic exhaust pipe on the outside of your house, then look inside the pipe of bird nest, leaves or ice. Pull out any debris blocking the airflow. Check the top of the water heater to ensure the fan runs. Fifth one is reset the temperature dial. Turn the front temperature knob all the way to maximum hot, then wait exactly 20 seconds without touching it. Turn the knob all the way down to the lowest pilot setting, then wait another 20 seconds. Turn the knob back to your normal warm setting. Thanks for watching.